you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through this crazy time, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're my every minute of my every day. And I can't believe, oh that you're mad. I get to kiss you baby just because I can. Whatever comes our way, oh, we'll see it through. And you know that's how I love can do. And in this crazy life, and to this crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. Hey, X1. So la 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, and so this crazy time, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. Your every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything. So la 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 la. Hi Rosie. So la 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 la. Ate Libay, Ate Terry, Jong, hello. Patay na. Ayaw ko na. Thank you, Lackwisher. Ayan, pasensya na sa naumay. So, alam niyo na. So, okay lang din talaga na hindi kayo bumili ng ticket kasi ganyan lang din talaga yung mapakinggan nyo dun. Kawawa naman. Huy! Ayan, hi kay Cheng. Kay Melody Vista. Tama naman na. Neji Moon. Love you. Hi, Jong. Kasi gusto mo lumabas, no? Palabasin ko lang to. Kanina pa to eh. Labas na ikaw. Ayun na. Ayun. Ano ba yun? Love you, Dada. Love you too. Bakit? Sola. Till 6 AM tayo. Hindi! Hindi ako naka-SR. Yes! Eh di wada. Hi Val. Bakit? Ako din. Huwag na kayo mag-SR ng kanta-kanta kasi hindi naman talaga maganda. Mag-ano-ano pa yung ganyang mga kanta-kanta na yan. Huwag nang mag-SR ng kanta-kanta, be. At napapagalitan naman ako. Till death do us part. Ay, kay Riza, I miss you. I miss you, Riza. Dadaway ako. Baka deserve mo. Char. Ako may SR. Master Nate. Ito naman. Hindi na lang Huwag nang i-delete na yan para may memories pa yung phone.
I-delete na yan para may memories pa yung phone. Ay, kawawa naman ng cellphone na yan na punong-puno ng mga walang kakwenta-kwentang ano. Ikaw pala. Anong ako pala? Dati kasi ako snatcher, be. Baka ako yung sinasabi. Dati kasi ako snatcher. Tapos ang nangyari, parang ayun. Ay, nakita niya na ako. Sheesh, tatago nga ako yun. Hindi nga naman ako nakita dito. Tagong-tago na ngayong tao.
When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, nearby my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, why go weak? I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower, that's it. Like a flower. Sway with ease. When we dance, we have a way with me. Sway with me, sway with me. When we're
Grabe playtime to, be. Uy. May sayaw din yan. Ba't di ka nga sumayaw? Dinamay mo pa ako. Uy, ang ganda kaya ng kanta ni Michael Bublé. Oh, ayan, nag-relapse ka pa. Hindi kasi bumabawi lang ako doon kasi may nag-relapse daw. So, sa mga nag-relapse, ayan, binalik na natin. Kulang pa yung pang-relapse. Masyado bang masakit yung kanina? Hindi ka nakamove on sa relapse? Grabe naman yung sakit na nararamdaman mo. Di yung relapse natin, 2 kanta, naka-4 na kanta tayo masaya, tapos hindi, nag-relapse ka pa din, hindi ka pa nakatapos mag-relapse. Grabe namang relapse yan. Ano namang relapse yan, B? Nalaplap na lang ang relapse. Ito, hindi ko alam po. Ito, hindi ka na magre-relapse dito, B. Wala. Ito. Ano yan? Ano yun? Anong kanta nga yun? Ulimutan ko na. Yung... Anong kanta yun? Ayan, ito. Sige, to. Sige. Tatawa na naman ako sa kalokohan ko, be. Huwag mo kulit! Hindi ko lang alam kung mag-relapse ka pa, be.
I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind the silver screen. All its sad goodbyes. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. Should have known better than to cheat a friend. A wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Oh, 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 oh. Time can never mend the careless whispers of a good friend. To the heart and mind, ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth. Pain is all you'll find. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. I should have known better than to cheat a friend. Waste the chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. Oh.
Relax ka pa.
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We'd hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived the dance forever. But now it's gonna dance with me. Please stay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty.
Actually, ang hirap nung kanta. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ang taas tong, totoo lang, be. Ganyan-ganyan siya. Ang hirap niya, be. Hirap niya talaga. Ayoko na. Oh, wala lang. Oh, okay na. Tama na. Masado na kayong... Tama na, be. Oh, bawi na ako, ha. Wala nang nag-relapse, ha. Wala magre-relapse ngayon. Love lang. Hug nga eh. Hug nga eh. Okay na, rest na. Tulog na tayo. Sorry, hindi na mag-sing ng sad song. Sorry na nga. Pero bawal daw mag-sorry. Sige, hindi na mag-sorry. Nangin na. Ayan. Ay, Angel. Naka-SR. Nawala ang tukodad. Same. Naka-full SR po naman. Grabe kayo. Hindi mo sorry mga kanta-kanta. Huwag nang magkanta-kantang ganyan. Magkwentuhan na lang. Magkwentuhan na lang tayo, babe. Post ko SR mo. Sige, bukan mo. Kiss mo ko. Di ba gusto mong itlog? Dalawa. Char. Ala. Less ka na. Uy, matulog na kayo. Papahinga na rin ako. I love you. Huwag na mag-post. Hindi na magkanta. Tama na yun. Huwag na magkanta. I love you. Good night. One last cry. One last cry. Before I leave it all behind. Could have put you out of my mind. Hey! Char. Tama na do. I love you. Good night. Uy, makikita ko ba kayo ulit bukas o ayaw nyo na sa akin tomorrow? Kasi kung ano yung pinagkagagawa ko tonight. Kasi yung kulit ko, kung nagkanta ako, nagsintonado ako, nang away ako, nang... Ate Terry, I love you, I miss you. Ikot ako. Love ka pa din namin kahit ganyan ka. Dapat lang. I love you too. Good boy ako, promise. I know promises. Good boy ako. Yes. Behave. Good night. See you tomorrow.